Ladies and gentlemen, today we have Pella 150 series vinyl window. So we are gonna look at it and we're gonna begin. Let's begin with convenience. How convenient this window is. Okay, so this is a double hung window. So basically you can operate both sashes, the bottom and the top one. And in this sample we have full screen, so you can open both sashes at the same time or just one of them. That it is a double hung window, definitely this is a nice feature welcomed by everybody, but it's no longer anymore like a wow factor. What's important, let's see how easy to maintain this window, how easy to clean it. And to clean the window, we basically squeeze the side locks and lower the bottom sash. And we do the same with the top sash. So yeah, I would say it's a piece of cake, you know, not anybody can do it. So, and this video is sponsored, well, by nobody. So I would appreciate when you like and subscribe. Okay, so once we're done cleaning, let's see how easy it is to tilt them back. So basically, usually, yeah, I mean, yeah, no problem. You can do just like that, slam the sash and back to business. Okay, so this window is definitely convenient, it's nice and easy to clean, but let's have a closer look at the interior design of the window, because you install this windows and it's a window pretty much with a budget manageable price. So if you are a big price shopper, this might be a good window for you, or if your budget is super tight, same thing. But anyway, let's see what you can get for this for a few $100 for this type of the money. Okay, so at the bottom sash we have all the way through lift rail, the same thing at the top sash, and this lift rail is fusion welded into the frame of the sash. And the window comes with the two aluminum locks. I mean, in this case we have one lock because it's a small window. I believe it's like 26 inches, something else. If it's wider than that, you're gonna get two locks like this. Then we have here on the sides two side locks, which they look kind of bulky, you know, but at the same time you can live with that at this price level, you know, there is nothing to complain. I don't think you're gonna buy it because of the locks or anything like that. And we do have it here, night latches or vent latches, you know, whatever way you call them, either way it's gonna work. So you can ventilate a few inches at the bottom, or you can do at the top, and in this case we have full screen, so you don't even have to worry about moving the screen to the top. So that's a nice little feature loved by everybody to keep your pets inside, your kids up to 2 years inside the house. And the window has balance covers on both sides, so this way no spiderweb or dirt is gonna accumulate in this balance channel. That's a nice feature, again, to make this maintenance-free experience, so that you spend less time cleaning your windows. The only downside, the way I see it, that's right here we have the sash stops, you know, these two pieces like a few inches long. They don't look so bad, you know, again, at this price range, I think that's okay, you can live with that. These stops look like a parrot, but on a nice looking pirate's shoulder. And anyway, probably you're gonna be having in here blinds hanging, so you're not gonna see them so much. But what I'm impressed with this low budget window, that's this beautiful little details around the glass on both sashes that you don't even have in some premium level windows. They kind of add to the window and make it, you know, gives this window like some kind of premium feel. So now let's see how much glass real estate you're gonna get when you replace your windows, existing windows, with this window. So as usual, we're gonna check the frame and the sash combined thickness, and we got here, if we measure from here, it's 3 inches, or from the edge 318. So basically around 3 inches. Which is, you know, not the end of the world, but not the thinnest frame profile as well. Okay, so let's check out the exterior of this window. And like I said, this window comes with a full screen. You can get it at lowest So we're gonna remove the screen to get to the exterior of the window. Here we go. So the exterior design of this window looks kind of okay, you know. The channel, the screen channel doesn't stick out too much. It kind of blends in into the window. And it does have premium feel. The vinyl itself looks like it's a pure vinyl, not a recycled one. When we look at the glazing bit around the glass, we can tell that, you know, these corner cuts, they are not like a straight 45 degrees, you know, they don't match. Slightly off, I would say, in here and there, but again, if you are price shopping, who knows, I don't think you're going to be looking at these corner cuts because, you know, most important for you is the price, so that's what you get. And then another interesting thing is about the lock. So let's say you can, you know, now the window is locked and you can clearly see that it is locked, or you can clearly see that it's actually unlocked. So somebody can lift it up like that because this lock sticks out above this glazing bit and it clearly can be seen. So basically somebody from the street can tell if you lock the windows or if you did not, because, you know, you can see right away. Or if the window is like that, right away you can say that, you know, what you have to do, you just lift it up and unlock the sash. Okay, so and the bottom seal, it's a little bit sloped, which is a nice feature with this holes right here, so the water flows in here, but at the same time they do have, this window has a weep holes, which is not a great thing, but again, for the budget priced window, what else you want to have, you know, you should not complain about it. And what I like about that, they have this dome here, so which prevents any air leaks or insects getting inside the house. No way, actually, it's pretty much like, again, few premium windows have something like that. So I like that they do have it. They do have right here cutouts for the water get into the frame, and it has to come out through these little weep holes. And the weep holes a little bit too low to that channel. That's where your capping comes in, and there is a chance that it's going to be caulked or anything like this accidentally. So that's, you know, not a good thing. But hey, listen, it is what it is. Okay, so I would say it does have pretty much beautiful exterior design, and again, that's what everybody's gonna see it, you know, your neighbors, yourself, your friends, family, enemies. So yeah, you can definitely live with that. The water management system, it's you know, not the best, but again, you can bear it at this price level. So let's go ahead and switch back to the interior and look at the energy efficiency of the window. Okay, so now let's have a look at this weather stripping. So the top sash has a double weather stripping, which is still, it's pretty much generous on the sides, at the top right here as well, which is not bad. And inside the channel, there is one layer of that weather stripping as well. So, but the bottom sash, it has a triple layer weather stripping and pretty much thick, nice and thick. At the top we have interlocking meeting rails that goes inside here. Another nice feature, much appreciated. So yeah, no, I am impressed that at this approachable price window you can get this triple layer weather stripping. So I would say the window, if it's installed properly and adjusted well, it should have pretty much impressive infiltration ratings. Okay, so and when we look at the glass, it's a little bit tinted, so it does have one layer of low E, and in this window you can get only double pane glass. You cannot get triple pane glass. If you want to have triple, you're gonna have to bump it up your budget to other more premium windows. But anyway, still, you know, you can get this low E. And the window comes in any color as long as it is white, almond or fossil. Same thing with the locks, so you don't have like a lot of options as well for the interior and the exterior. But anyway, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Pella 150. If your budget is tight or you are a big price shopper, you just always look at the price, you don't care about anything else, might be, you know what, might be a good window. It's even for the money you pay, as long as it's installed properly. If you call that Uncle Chuck with a truck and buy a pack of beer for him, and he's ready to go ahead and install it for you, just make sure you give him that beer, you know, after the installation, not before the installation. Maybe it's gonna work out for you, I don't know. But anyway, post in the comments below and say it if you have these windows in your house. Do you like them or you don't like them? Maybe I missed something. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. See you next time.